Learn. I learn a new word every day. I am learning to play the violin this year. I have learnt so much from this course. I have been learning Spanish for 6 months. I learned to swim when I was 5. I was learning the recipe when the power went out. I had learnt the basics before the class began. I had been learning the piano for years before my first concert. I will learn to drive next summer. I will be learning on the job all month. By December, I will have learnt 300 words. By then, I will have been learning this craft for a decade.